Good morning, everybody. Can you hear me? Welcome to our open house. Thank you so much for coming out today. Over the past few years, Century York has been growing vertically pretty rapidly if you look around the towns, and we've noticed a need for high-angle rescue. So for the past few years, Station 4-2, the firefighters have been training really hard, and we've created a technical rescue, rope rescue team. Today we're going to demonstrate one of our skills that team is capable of performing. And what we're simulating is, if you can see our dummy hanging down, that's a simulation of a construction worker, or possibly a window washer, or somebody who has maybe climbed a crane illegally and he needs to be rescued. He's in some sort of trouble, and for whatever reason, repellent buoys can't work. So as a rescue team, we're going to come off the roof and we're going to grab that victim, and we're going to put him onto our system and lower him down. What you're going to see over the next few minutes is we're going to have firefighter Brad here. Brad, wave everybody. Brad is going to come over the edge of this wall. He's going to be lowered down to the victim. He's then going to remove the victim from his harness system, and then we're going to lower them down to the ground as a package. Does that sound good to everybody? All right. So if you give us 2-3 minutes, we're going to put Brad over the edge, and we'll start on the way down. I'll kind of walk you through what's happening as we go. Sound good? now that Brad's got to our victim, he's going to ensure that he's okay, that he's not in any medical distress, and that he's not combative and going to attack him. When we're using our rope rescue skills, we want to be urgent, but we don't want to, it's not an extremely fast rescue. We want to make sure that we are very mindful of our victim, that we don't cause any more injury, and that we have them very securely onto our systems before we go any further. Brad now has the victim on his system. He's going to raise him up a little bit so that we can get him off of whatever system he was on originally to do his window washing or construction. Brad now has the victim all on his system, and we're going to lower him to the ground, where we would have EMS or other firefighters ready to assist with any medical interventions or patient care that's necessary. Brad will use his radio to communicate